Hi guys, it's been a minute. So there was a heist in Venda Plaza. Those guys that you were seeing there, they are carrying money from Fidelity. So what had happened is that on the 7th of June 2023, they came to Venda Plaza and they were targeting the Fidelity guys. And as the Fidelity guys were getting out of the car, these guys shot them. They shot them and then they took the money. So as they took the money, I also work in Venda Plaza, so you can imagine I was still traumatized. It's been weeks now. I was still traumatized. I can't lie to you guys. I was still traumatized. That's why I couldn't come and do videos. So the good part about these guys is that three of them has been arrested, and they were arrested because of these other guys who were busy showing off the money. I will show you when I will show you the videos where they were showing off the money and stuff like that. When you didn't work for the money, you will use it anyhow. So these guys were arrested. This one, the one that you're seeing here, the a bit bigger guy with a green shirt, he was arrested, and the other two guys. This guy is the first suspect. He was arrested first. As you can see here, he was showing off the money. He was showing off on Facebook. He was even making jokes on Facebook about the heist and stuff like that. So this guy was the first one to be arrested, and then there's another one that got arrested the same day, but this one is the first one that got arrested. And I am thinking that the police are saying that they are waiting to arrest more people, more suspects. So I'm sure by now this guy has sung. They made him sing, and then I'm sure other arrests have been made already. So tomorrow they will be applying for bail. These guys will be applying. The three of them will be applying for bail tomorrow. So yes, guys, I'll be following this case. You know what? God is good. I am happy that they got arrested, and I pray that they don't even get bail, for traumatizing us. We're still traumatized. The thinking about your children. They were not even using I don't even know the guns name, but I think the smaller pistol. They were not using the small pistols. They were using AK-47. You can imagine, you guys, when they shoot, it felt like they were where I was at the time. So these guys, they traumatized us for days. Yeah, I hope that they rot in jail. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, you guys. This is your girl Rita. I'm out. Ciao. I love you guys.